Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the SEOPress and with the RankMath, and I'm going to share with you, I don't know, maybe some differences between both, like when you're just going to look here on the pricing plans. And now the both, you can try like the SEOPress for free to see how you're gonna like it. Now they are providing the same solutions, so it's like saying that, oh my god, you should use definitely that one or that one. So what I recommend to do, I know it's going to sound really strange, but have you ever experienced a thing that you should meet with someone and you know that you shouldn't meet them, or you should go somewhere but you feel bad about it, you don't know why, and you were like, yeah, I'm not going to go there because I feel it's wrong, but even when you go there, it just like it went downhill and really bad. And this is the same thing. So look on the RankMath, you can an SEOPress, and when you look on both, which one you like more. Like, use your intuition because they're really similar tools, and I'm not going to say that, oh my god, like RankMath got better. No, use your intuition and like use it for actually which one you actually like, because plenty of people are using the RankMath Pro, and you can have plenty of things there that can be beneficial. That yes, you can use on both free, but it's like really limited, but still possible. But with the Pro, you're gonna have covered a lot of stuff. And here, when you can look here on SEOPress, right? And you can have free or $49 a year. And you can even see right here that what you're gonna get and compare it. But still, they are covering the same thing. So when I'm just going to write here, track like position one of your keywords. So just want to make this quick video for you. They're both good that you can use, and use your own intuition which one you like more. And even the RankMath Pro is good, and even the SEO Press Pro is good, and you're not going to make a mistake if you're going to choose this one or this one, to be honest. So have a great day and goodbye.